In this problem, we are asked to find the product of these two binomials. So we will begin by multiplying 3x times x squared. And 3x times x squared is going to be 3x cubed. And then 3x times 4x will give us 12x squared. Negative 5 times x squared is negative 5x squared. And finally, negative 5 times 4x is negative 20x. And then we will combine our like terms here. So 3x cubed, that's the only x cubed term, because remember, like terms have the same variable part. So the variable and the exponent have to be the same in order to add or subtract. So we have a pair of like terms here in the positive 12x squared and the negative 5x squared. So since 12 minus 5 is 7, we get positive 7x squared. The negative 20x stays there as is, nothing to combine with it. So our final result for this product is 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus 20x.